Hello, and thank you for joining me. I am Mohammed Tahar Haim, classical guitar teacher with years of experience teaching beginners and intermediate guitarists, and also parents who want to teach their children the beautiful art of playing classical guitar. So if you're looking to start your guitar journey or give your child the beautiful gift of music, you're in the right place. We'll start from the very basics, learning the good posture and position, to free stroke and rest stroke techniques, arpeggios, tremolo, and so many other guitar techniques. Together, we'll work on classical guitar pieces, exercises, etudes, and also music pieces and songs from your own choice. This will not only improve your skills, but will make your practice sessions enjoyable, allowing you to play comfortably and clearly with beautiful dynamics. From there, we'll explore guitar music theory, making it simple and enjoyable to read and analyze music sheets and especially guitar scores. We'll work together for your international exams such as the ABRSM and Trinity classical guitar programs or any other guitar program that you might be studying. You'll even have the opportunity to attend and participate in an online classical guitar concerts and webinars that I will recommend for you. And the fun does not stop there. I'll teach you how to improvise on your guitar even if you've never played a note before. I'm really excited to share everything I know about music, guitar, and music theory with you. And the best part, your first session with me is free, and I can teach in English, French, or Arabic. Depends on your preference. So no matter where you are in the world, you can start your classical guitar journey today.